All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. It is time to show you the Mag. It is back in stock and it comes in a plethora of colors. I mean, like 9 different colors. It comes in brown, navy, camel tan, which is really fire. You got jet black, Merlot, moss. Moss is hot too. Sand, and you've got stone gray, and then a red color. So today we're gonna be looking at this model this version right here, and this color is fire right here. I think this is one of the better colors. Comes in some eco-friendly packaging right here. Something simple, you know what I'm saying? Recycled more than likely. And you got some certificates in there. You can get your $5 off, and then, there we go. This color right here is absolutely fire. This is a really good color right here. Now, folks, if you're looking for premium leather products, I got to tell you, this is premium full grain oiled and waxed leather. It is. I know some people are getting on this vegan leather train, which is basically like plastic buffed out. You know, we've seen faux leather for years, but they're just calling it vegan leather now to try to make it sound better. But if you still want high quality premium full grain leather, you can hit up Andar. They're going to have it to you. Now, this actually only holds 2 cars, 1 to 2 cars, 2 cars max. So your driver's license and your credit card of your choice, and that will have you set for your trip. You got some Andar branding right here. You got a nice design right here and the Andar logo right there. Pretty sweet. This is really nice, man. It's going to go really good with this new black, jet black Andar case right here. It's just going to go right onto the back of the phone like this. So, nice contrast right there, folks. Nice contrast. You don't have to keep it all basic black. Sometimes I like to have it like this because I want to be able to remember that it's there. Sometimes if it blends too well, then yeah, that's not a good look. So it goes on to obviously any of the Andar products that are MagSafe. I think you'll be fine with that. I like this combination right here with the jet black and the brown. This is really, really sleek right here. So they kind of gave a demo with some fake cards. Like this is the size of regular credit cards and driver's license, and they just kind of go in right here. It's going to be a really snug fit. So, wow, that is snug. It's going to be a really snug fit. So just be mindful of that. And when you want to get them out, I just kind of touch on it so it doesn't come off like I just saw that. I was pushing it without gripping it, but you can have your credit cards and your credit card and the ID in there, or have 2 credit cards, or if you have 2 forms of ID, like a military ID and something else, you know, yeah, that's how it's going to be. So yeah, it works very well, man. I really like it, and I think this colorway is just one of the best. That moss is actually a really good one too, but you choose what you want for your next case for your iPhone, and this will obviously work with MagSafe products in general. That's why it's called the Mag. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out to Andar. I mean, you gotta love them. They're still doing premium leather products. This is a really good look, and I think you'll probably be happy with the quality, the way this feels. I mean, you'll be able to tell that this is not the faux leather. And again, nothing wrong with the faux leather. The faux leather is like lab diamonds, which I had never heard of until recently. But, you know, it is what it is. If you want quality leather, and we all know how leather wears over time, it just gets better and better and better with age, like some of us. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Link to purchase down below.